Authorities are tracking an active online predator, soliciting minors across localized digital sandbox platforms. The suspect has been diagnosed with unmanaged, fluctuating psychological disorders and displays dangerous patterns of manipulative behavior. Modus operandi: the suspect targets children and minors via messaging queues and chat servers. Digital interactions are intentionally driven toward highly graphic, deviant themes, specifically fixating on non-consensual somatic inflation and physical deformity. Known apparition: suspect identification, identifier tag, Alexis. Platform: Honeytown MMO or PG chat server networks. Avatar characteristics: a custom pixel equine sprite featuring a dark red, black, and white color scheme. Notable markers include a sharp, multi-toned mane, a small secondary character model perched atop the head, and mismatched stylized wing flaps. Mandatory safety directives: terminate contact, instantly block, mute, and report any avatar matching this structural profile. Restrict chat permissions: guardians must enforce strict privacy settings, or implement a temporary internet freeze for users under 18. Preserve digital evidence: do not erase incoming messages. Capture full-screen screenshots containing timestamps and user handles for official submission. If you have any information about the suspect, please report it to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children or to your local law enforcement.